balls on the table. Okay, you're going to pick up ball, put one in the left hand box, pick up ball, put one in the right hand box. Okay, off you go. So aiming to get the ball between thumb and index finger. Good. Keeping the shoulder down and reaching the arm, and then release the arm, let the fingers come out. Good. And then over to the other side. Reaching, squeeze, and then up. So you need to get lift, and then letting go. So this is a bit more about sustaining a grip, okay? So just take your time. Good. Reach down, find the ball, step, and then release. Well done.
You've got your balls on the stage, see?
Yeah. Picking up one of those. Okay, now you've got to reach that arm straight. And can you see how your arm went and rolled in? You've got to really think about trying to keep your thumb and that open part of your ball going that way. And that's going to be super hard, and it might take you a few weeks to get that. Okay, but that's what, that's it, and that's what you're aiming towards, to get that extension there. Bring it back, stay up nice and tall, let that arm go. And then going fork to mouth, not mouth to fork, keep your head up high, that's it. And then again.